Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to change your birthday on the X app with the latest update, whether you need to fix a small mistake or update your birth year. This quick guide will walk you through each step clearly and easily. First, open the X app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to edit your date of birth. Once the app opens, head to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. This will open your side menu, where you can also access your settings and profile options. Next, select your profile name to open your full profile page. Here, tap on the Edit Profile button. This is where you can update your display name, bio, location, and of course, your date of birth. Now, scroll down and tap on the Date of Birth section. When you open it, you'll see your current date of birth displayed. Tap your date, then tap the Edit option to make changes. You can now adjust your day, month, and year as needed. Take a moment to review everything carefully to make sure the information is correct. Once you've entered your new details, tap Continue to save your updated date of birth. The app will automatically process your changes and update your profile. Keep in mind that X has some rules for editing your birthday. For instance, you might not be able to change it frequently, and certain age restrictions may apply depending on your new date. So make sure the date you provide is accurate before saving. After you've finished, return to your profile page to confirm that your birthday now appears correctly. And that's it. You've successfully updated your date of birth on the X app. If this guide helped you, take a second to share it with someone who might need it too, and be sure to check out more quick tutorials just like this one.